हनुमान की जय। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। जाके बल से जीवन पाके, रोग दोष जाके निकट न जाके, अंजनी पुत्र महाबलदाई, संतन के प्रभु सदा सुहाई। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। देवी रात रघुनाथ पठाए, लंका जाय सिया सुधिलावे। लंका स्फोट समुद्र की खाई, जात पवन सुत पार न लाई। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। लंका जारी असुर संहारे, सिया राम जी की काज सवारे। लक्ष्मण मूर्छित परे सहारे, आनि सजीवन प्राण उबारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। पठी पताल कोई जमकारी, पठी पताल जोई जमकारी। अहि रावण की भुजा उखारे, पाए भुजा असुर दल मारे। दाहिनी भुजा संत जन तारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। सुर नर मुनि आरती उतारे, जय 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 हनुमान उचारे। कंचन काल कपूर लो छाई, आरती करत अंजना माई। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। आरती की जय हनुमान। जो हनुमान जी की आरती गावे, बसी वैकुंठ परम पद पावे। लंका विध्वंस किए रघुराई, तुलसीदास स्वामी की गाए। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की। Let's all close eyes, cast hands together and bow heads. Meditating on the Supreme Lord, on Hanuman Ji. Celebrate today Hanuman Ji's birthday, Hanuman Jayanti. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि। भुजगतल्पगतं घनसुन्दरं गरुडवाहनमं भुजलोचनं जलधिजाश्रितवामकलेवरं भजत रे मनुजा कमलापतिम्। बोले पावन सुत हनुमान की जय, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, श्रीमद सद्गुरु महाराज की जय। Please take your seats, everyone. वर्णानामर्थ संघानां रसानां छन्दसामपि मंगलानां च कर्तारौ वन्दे वाणि विनायकौ। We all join in Ramayana Simran. जहि सुमिरत सिद्धि हो गणनायक करिवर बदन करौ अनुग्रह सो बुद्धि राशि शुभ गुण सब मूक होहि वाचा गिरिवर गहन जासु कृपा दया गुरु सकल कलिमल दहन नील सरोरुषा करुण अरुण बाई जनयन करो सदा सागर शयन कुंद इंदु समये कुमार करुणायन जाहि दीन परदे बोले पावन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, वो राधा रानी की जय। पूजनीय आदरणीय पंडित जी, अन्य पंडित, प्रिय सज्जनों, भक्त महानुभाव, भक्त समुदाय, worshipable पंडित जी, और पंडित्स, devotees of the Supreme Lord, the Divine Souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to each and everyone. Today, we celebrate in Hanuman Jayanti. Let me wish everyone very happy Hanuman Jayanti. Bole Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai. Just like we celebrate in the world birthday, when we celebrate the Lord's birthday, we have to have even more joy in our heart and great festivity. It's not a dull thing, it's a birthday. Hanumanji's appearance day. Today we started a yagna in commemoration of Hanumanji Jayanti. So for 7 sessions we'll be listening to the glories of Hanumanji as taken from Ramcharitamanas, from the holy book, the holy work of Tulsidas Ji Maharaj. It's from his Ramcharitamanas. As today we celebrated his birthday itself, so to hear something about his birthday is important. How did Hanumanji come about? There are many, many different kathas on Hanumanji, Shiv Puran's katha also. Many different reasons and ways of Hanumanji's, this, how he came into this world. But according to Tulsikat Ramayana, the reason given here, so we will hear tonight one of the reasons for Hanumanji's coming, how he came, his appearance. बोले पावन सुत महावीर स्वामी की। किंतु बेटर इन दैट हनुमान जी बर्थडे, उसके पास मुक्दर है, एक एक देंगे तो देखो। हनुमान जी has मुक्दर, right? Don't get Hanumanji angry. Today is his birthday, and we just enjoy. We can do much better. बोले पावन सुत महावीर स्वामी की. उसको खुश होना. Make him happy. He's thinking now they love me so much. We have to show it, right? एक कथा है कि सब बानर सेना वहां पहुंच गए दक्षिण भारत और संपाति को मिला जटायु के भाई और संपाति को बताया कि इनका भाई का कैसे वो कथा सुनाया बहुत दुखी थे फिर उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने देखा बुजुर्ग हो गया हम जा नहीं सकते लेकिन रावण ने सीता लंका में ले गए और वो रास्ता है वो समुद्र है 100 योजन जो 100 योजन लांग करके जा सकते हैं वो खबर लेंगे देखेंगे The whole Vanar army has reached the shore searching for Sita, Mother Sita. They have reached the shore of South India, the very end. There they meet Sampati, who is the brother of Jatayu. Jatayu had fought with Ravan very violently, and Ravan cut off his wing. Bhagwan himself performed the rites for Jatayu. They told the whole incident to Sampati. Sampati, sad also his brother, but was so happy the way his brother fought to save Mother Sita. And so he told them, yes, I saw Ravan taking Sita to Lanka, which is over the ocean. And the distance from South India, the end, to Lanka, 100 yojan, which is about 800 miles. So anyone who can jump so far amongst you, there's no boat or anything here right now. You can do that, and this is a very dangerous ocean. Then you can go and find her, see her, etc. अब सभी में आपस में अपने आप में बता रहे हम 30 कर सकते 40 50 इतना बता रहे कोई 100 योजन नहीं कर सकते सब अपना बता रहे So everyone now, the leaders among the Vanar army, they're saying, some are saying I can go 30 miles, I can jump as far as 30. Some are saying I can do 40, some is 50. But no one can do the 100. Hanumanji is sitting quietly, not saying anything. वो चुपचाप बैठे सुन रहे तो जामवंत रीछपति रीछराज जामवंत ब्रह्मा के अवतार है तो जामवंत ने कहा हनुमान आप क्या कर रहे तब रीछपति बोले कि सुनो हर महावीर तुम इतने बलवान होके कैसे चुप बैठे हो Jamwant. It's called Richapati, Richaraj, king among bear. Brahma himself has descended as Jamwant in the form of a bear. He looked at Hanuman, he says, Hanuman, hey Mahavir, you are so powerful and yet you're sitting so quietly. Yeah, what happened? तुम पावन पुत्र हो इस कारण तुमसे पावन के समान बल है बुद्धि है विवेक का विज्ञान का घर है Oh Hanuman ji, you're a son of Pawan Putra. Pawan Putra Mahavir Swami, we say. Hanuman not only is Pawan Sutta, Hanuman is the descension of Shiv Bhagwan. He's no less than Shiv Bhagwan. He's the descension, the 11 Rudra. This is told in Shiv Puran, the Katha. So Hanuman is no ordinary entity. So Hanuman ji, and this Brahmanos in the form of Jamvan, you are as powerful as the wind. You're a very storehouse of intelligence, knowledge, and strength. And yet you are sitting so quietly. हे तात, जगत में ऐसे कौन सा काम है जो तुम्हें नहीं कर सकते? Jamban looks at Hanuman and says, "Oh Hanuman, what work is there in the world that you cannot do? Is there anything in this world that you cannot do, Hanuman?" When he is Shivji himself, what can he not do? Hanuman is not a devata. People say Hanuman devata. Hanuman is not a devata. Right? Hanuman is the ascension of Shiv Bhagwan himself. So he is a Bhagwan, you can say. He'll come in that form for a special reason. हे महावीर, अब मैं कारण सहित तुम्हारी उत्पत्ति कहता हूं, सब कोई इस रेती में बैठकर सुनो. He says, Hanuman, okay, I will tell you the cause of your taking birth, coming in this world. How you were born and the reason. Everyone sit down now in the sand, they're at the edge of the sea. South, the very edges. So everyone sit down on the sand, and Hanumanji and Jamban says, I'm going to tell you the whole katha. Listen very carefully. बोले पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बोले सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। अब कथा सुना रहे जामवंत, कह रहे कि हिमालय पर्वत के पास एक तप तेज से प्रकाशमान कश्यप ऋषि थे। ऐरावत के समान एक हाथी मानो कठिन यमराज हो ऋषि के सन्मुख दौड़ा। Close to the Himalaya, there's a mountain. Today we also see Himalaya, Parvat, the mountain called Himalaya. It's not Himalaya, Himalaya. Him-alay. Everything is in English, it make a mess. Alay means house. Him means snow, ice. The house of snow, ice. Himalaya. There is always ice on the Himalaya. If it's a Himalaya, then you don't know what it means. So on the Himalaya mountain, very close, there was a Rishi, Kashyap Rishi, was staying, full of fire. His body was surrounded by light. Light came out of his body. Prakash. There was a light about him. Once, an elephant, as powerful as Airavat. Airavat is the vehicle of Indra, the king of heaven. It's very huge, not an elephant of the world. It's an elephant of heaven. Powerful, very powerful. In other words, like Yamraj, like that itself, started running towards this Rishi and Muni and other Rishis out that were there. उसको देखकर सब मुनि डर गए, भय के मारे भाग न सके, चरण शिथिल हो गए। केसरी नाम बड़े तेजस्वी तुम्हारे पिता उस वन में राजे थे। Seeing that elephant like that itself, huge, hundreds of elephants combined in one, rushing towards them. Because of fear, they could not do anything. They seemed as though their limbs had melted. When you become so afraid, scared, you can't even move. So scared they had become that all their limbs became melted. They could not move even. Jaman says, "Oh, Hanumanji, there was a king there by the name of Kesari. He was your father, and he was the king of that forest, and he lived close by." हाथी देखकर सब मुनि पुकार उठे और कपिराज, हम सब आपके शरण में. And all the rishis, they knew that Kesari was the king of that forest, and he was very powerful. So seeing this elephant, and they could not even move, approaching, decided to cry out, "O king among Banas, O Kapiraj." There's a race called Banar, not monkey, a race called Banar. "O Kapiraj, O Banar Raj, we all under your shelter. You protect us in this forest. You are the king here. Please, we have no resort at this time. Please help us." They are crying out. ऋषियों का दुख देखकर मन में बड़ी दया है, और तुम्हारे पिता उस समय बेग के दौड़ कर वहां गए. Seeing the condition of the terror that were in the rishis at that time, the rishis and munis, your father became very compassionate. Daya. And with great speed, he went to that place. वहां गए. केसरी उस हाथी को लड़ने लगे और एक घुसा मार दोनों दांत पकड़कर पृथ्वी पर पछाड़ की, घोर छिकार कर पृथ्वी में गिरा और मर गया. Kesari was very powerful. He started fighting with that elephant, and he gave that elephant such a powerful cuff. Then he held, the elephant became stunned. He held onto the elephant has this tusk, and he swung the elephant and dashed it to the ground and crying out loudly. The elephant died. ये देखकर सब मुनि बहुत प्रसन्न हो गए. Seeing this, all the rishis and munis became very happy. तव पिता बहुबल देखी तव पितु बहुबल देखी तव पितु बहुबल देखी मन मुनिवर दीनियसी मांगु मांगु वर भाय मन हे द्विज पाल कपीश सिया पति रामचंद्र जी जय श्री राम प्रभु बोले सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. सब ऋषि लोग ने मन में तुम्हारे पिता का अधिक बल देखकर बहुत प्रसन्न हो गए. आशीष देने कहा कि हे ब्राह्मण पालक, हे कपिराज, जो मन में भाव वो वर मांगो. Seeing the great strength of your father, Kesari. So Hanuman has many names, Kesari Nandan, Anjani Sut, Sankar Suvan, Pavan Putra, many. So there are many kathas. But Kesari, they saw this and they became very pleased and they gave Ashirvad, they gave blessing. And they said, "O protector of Brahman, the Rishi and Muni, O king among Bhanan, or the king of the Bhanan, whatever pleases in your mind, whatever you desire, anything you want, please ask us at this time. We will bestow upon you." What did he ask for? Let's hear it. सानुकूल तपसी कह ज्ञानी, सानुकूल तपसी कह जानी, बोलत तात जोरी जुग पानी. जो प्रसन्न मो पर भगवान, सत साजी सिंगार बनाई बैठी शिकर शहर पर आई त्रिविध समीर वह सुखदाई निरखात बन शोभा अधिकारी बोलो तपस्वी को प्रसन्न जानकर तुम्हारे पिता केसरी दोनों हाथ जोड़कर बोले कि हे भगवान, जो आप मेरे ऊपर प्रसन्न हो तो मरुत के समान बलि पुत्र दीजिए. Seeing the rishis and munis so pleased with him that he saved their life. Your father, he didn't go with his great, I save you, so give me something. ऐसा नहीं. Put his hands together. This is how way, right? Put his hands together. And with great humility and sweetness in his voice, he said, O Rishi Muni, O Lord, if you are so pleased with me, then give me a son that is as powerful as the wind. Marut ke saman means wind, the wind. As powerful as the wind or the wind god. एवं अस्तु ये कहकर ऋषि तब चले गए. अब अलग चरित्र सुनो. And so they said, evam astu, so be it. In other words, so be it. Whether that's your desire, you will have a son like that. And they left from there. माता तुम्हारी सती अंजनी थी, जिसका अपार रूप रति के उत्तम, रति से भी उत्तम. Your mother was Anjani. And she was so beautiful. There is the most beautiful woman in the world is called Rati. Kamdev is the most beautiful man. Kamdev, the god of love. The wife of Kamdev is Rati. So amongst women, the most beautiful in the material world is Rati. Your mother was so beautiful, she was more beautiful than even Rati. Anjani. This is what Jamban is saying. So beautiful. 16 सिंगार बनाए और सज कर पर्वत के शिखर पर आ बैठी. One day, dressing herself in the 16 ornamentation, 16 type of beautifying oneself. 16 Singar is called. In the 16 ways, she beautified herself and went and sat on top of a mountain. सुख देने वाले शीतल मंद सुगंध त्रिविध पावन चल रहा था. बन के अपार शोभा देकर मन में प्रसन्न होती. And so, while she is sitting, a very soft, fragrant wind was blowing. Fragrant, very soft. And seeing all the beauty in the forest, sitting on the mountain, and she's, you go to a mountain and you look at the valleys and beautiful trees in the summer, not the winter. All the greenery, you can imagine with the valleys and so, seeing all this boundless beauty, her heart became filled with joy. पावनदेव उसे देखकर मोहित हुए और पति की तरह चीर उड़ाकर भुजा दीर कर छूना चाहा. Seeing this very beautiful damsel, more beautiful than Rati, Pavandev, the god of the wind. The wind has a god. It's called Pavandev. So Pavandev, he became infatuated. He fell in love, as you will say. And raising her clothes, he opened his arms, embracing her like a husband would embrace his wife this way. देखकर तेरी माता क्रोध बढ़ा, फिर उसे शाप देने लगी. Seeing this, suddenly she was Sati. Anjani is counted among Sati. Chase, not only in action, but in mind. Not even unfavorable thought, even for a moment, towards her husband. She was Sati, in the true sense. Seeing this, she became very angry. That somehow dare you touch my body. She knew it was personality touching her. And she's about to give shrap. She's about to give a shrap. She's going to give a shrap. Curse. पावन देव डर गए. पावन देव जान गए कि श्राप देने वाले, तो डर गए और मीठी स्वर से कहा कि श्राप मत दो देवी, पहले सुन लो. तुम्हारे पति ने ऋषि से पुत्र का मांगा हमारे समान, इस कारण से तुम्हारा शरीर छूने लगा. He says, Pawan Dev became very scared, trembling, because this lady, when not Sati, in the true sense, she has power. When a woman is Sati in the true sense, not only in terms of body, but not even for one moment she thinks an unfavorable thought towards her husband. Even for a moment. That brings great power. She had great power. And Pawan Dev knew this. He started trembling with fear. And in a very sweet voice, he started to beg and said, "Oh Devi, please do not give a shrap. Don't give a curse. Listen to what I have to say first. If you want to give shrap after, it's okay. But listen to what I have to say. Your husband was told by the rishis and munis to ask for a boon. And he asked for a boon that he wanted to give a son, bless a son, as powerful as the wind god. And this is the reason why I was touching you. Nothing else." निज काया धरी मिलऊं न कोई, आहे शाप देती है मोर, बोलो राम राम राम. अस काही पावन गुप्त वैरह, सोतम माता पति सन अयहु. अब तव जन कहाब सुख माई, सुनहु सकल तुझ दीपक जानी. शुभ नक्षत्र शुभ घर पावन सुत हनुमान की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। We have to say jai to Shri Ram. Hanumanji loves Bhagwan Shri Ram. He's always sitting by Bhagwan Shri Ram's feet. So we cannot, this is Ishtadev. We have to glorify his Ishtadev. मैं आपके काया धर के तुम्हें नहीं मिला, मुझे क्यों शाप देती है देवी? He said, I did not touch you, become hold your body or touch your body. Then why are you giving me this curse, Devi? Saying this, पावन देव वो ऐसे कहकर पावन देव गुप्त हो गए और तुम्हारी माता ने सब बातें पति से कही. Saying this, पावन देव disappeared from there, the god of wind. And then your mother, Anjani, went to your father and told him the whole, what happened, the whole incident. अब तुम्हारे सुखदायक जन्म कहता हूँ, कुल का प्रकाश रूप जान के सब सुनो. And now Jamban says, Richapati Jamban says, Oh Hanuman, now I'm going to tell you about your birth. The appearance, which is the giver of all happiness, Sukhdayak. The appearance of Hanumanji is the giver of happiness. Kul ka prakash roop jan ke sab suno. Knowing that he is the very light of the dynasty of the Banas. He brought light to the dynasty. Everyone knowing this, listen carefully. Achhe nakshatra, achhi ghari. दैव बल पाकर तुम्हें जन्म लिया. Attaining the best of nakshatra, ascendance, and the constellation, the best ghari, the best timing, the muhurt, the best auspicious hour, all according to fate that was destined already. This is not happening by guess, this was destined. When it's going to happen, what nakshatra, everything. This is already destined. You took birth. Hey Pavanadev. Bole Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai. So as Hanumanji appeared, we'll sing a bhajan for Hanumanji. बेगी हरो हनुमान महाप्रभु, जो कछु संकट होई हमारो. कौन सो संकट मोर गरीब को, जो तुमसे नहीं जात तारो. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो जन तुम्हारे शरण में आए, जो जन तुम्हारे शरण में आए, दुख दरिद्र हरना हनुमत, दुख दरिद्र हरना. सदा रहे हर्षाए राम लखन तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए हृदय चीर कर राम सिया का हृदय चीर कर राम सिया का दर्शन दिया कराए ओ हनुमत दर्शन दिया कराए दो कर जोड़ अर्ज हनुमंता दो कर जोड़ अर्ज हनुमंता कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो महाराज जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो महाराज बोले पावन सुत महावीर स्वामी की हनुमान जी का प्राकट्य हुआ हनुमान जी is taken back here in this world to bless everyone. Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram Bolo Ram Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram Bolo Ram पुनि वरदान पवन कर दर्शन धीरज तो पिता बोलो उदित भय दंपति सुख माने करहि तेरी बन में मन माने बोलो सिया राम जय जय राम बोलो राम सिया राम जय जय एक दिवस माता की गोदा करत रहे पय पान बिनु बोलो सिया राम जय जय राम बोलो सिया राम बंधु छवि तरती आकाश गए तक बोलो सिया राम जय जय राम बोलो सिया राम जय जय राम बोलो बोले पावन सुत हनुमान की जय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय फिर पावन के वरदान से और पिता के वीर से तुम उत्पन्न हुए then through the seed of your father Kesari and the boon, the vardhan, the blessing of Pavandev, you appear in this world. O Hanuman ji, तुम्हारे उत्पन्न होने से दोनों स्त्री पुरुष सुख मानकर वन में मनमाना विहार करते थे. And your birth was the giver of so much happiness. Hanumanji's appearance in this world brought so much happiness to his parents that they will go and stroll and frolic in the forests, in the gardens, etc., with great joy in their heart, great overflowing with joy. एक समय माता की गोद में तुम दूध पीते थे और खेलते थे। प्रातः काल के रत्न वर्ण सूर्य की छवि देख तरक करे और शीघ्र आकाश में उछल गए। वो सोचे कोई फल है। Once, Hanumanji, you were sitting in the lap of your mommy, Anjani Mata, and drinking milk, doodh. And you saw the sun. The sun was rising. And the sun, when it's rising, it looks red. Lal, lal. The sun was rising, prataka, early in the morning. Ratnavarn means red color. Seeing that, you thought this was some fruit, like an apple, red fruit. Hanumanji loves fruits. So you thought this is to be a fruit. To jump, you took a jump you left the milk and left the mother's lap. A little baby still. You jumped from there. Flew. And you started flying towards the sun to eat this apple. ये फल खाऊंगा मैं. I will eat this apple, this fruit. ये फल. सूर पकड़ने को हाथ फैलाकर दौड़े, तब इंद्र ने क्रोध कर ब्रज मारा. Hanumanji has opened his arms and he's flying towards the sun to hold the sun and swallow it. Indra thought, what kind of thing is this? He thought ye koi rakshas, some demon is going to swallow the sun, the Dev son Surya Narayan Swami. And Indra is the king of the Devtas, king of heaven. Seeing that, Indra took his weapon. His weapon is Vajra, the thunderbolt. And he struck Hanuman. What happened? Doha. लागत वज्र महाकठिन मूर्छित भे तुम तात हो रामा मूर्छित भे तुम तात पवन देव तब क्रोध करी रोकी सिगरी बार हो रामा रोकी सिगरी बार सियावर रामचंद्र कर जय शरणम शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम बोले पवन पुत्र महावीर स्वामी की जय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। हे तात, हे महावीर, महाकठिन वज्र लगने से तुम मोहित हो, मूर्छित हो। When that thunderbolt struck, thunderbolt kills people. Not an ordinary weapon. And it struck, remember Hanuman is a little baby at this time, struck him on the mouth. Actually, this is how Hanuman got the name Hanuman. It twisted his mouth when it struck him. So he fell down unconscious, hit by that lightning bolt. तब पावन देव क्रोध करके सब वायु के गति बंद कर दिया. And seeing this, the father, he is also the father of Hanuman. He's called Pavan Putra. He got so angry, he stopped the wind completely. पूरे रोक दी. क्रोध करके पावन देव वायु गति रोक ली, जिसे तुरंत त्रिलोकी व्याकुल हो गए. And so, with this anger, he stopped the wind from blowing. Now the wind stopped blowing. If you in a little house and there's no air, you start stifling, right? घुटने लगे. You start stifling for air. The air stopped blowing. everyone started, in all the three worlds, Triloki, in all the three worlds, all forms of life started suffering. There was no air to breathe anymore. तब देवता घबरा कर अपने प्रयोजन के लिए शिव जी की स्तुति करने लगे. उस समय गुण और गान के निधान शिव जी बोले. And so all the devatas, they also suffer in Triloki. The material world, this Bhumanda, this Prithvi, this earth, the heavenly region and the Patal, all three. The devatas are suffering also. They also need air. They became very anxious. So, to fulfill their aim, they started to glorify and sing the praises of Shivji with devotion. Shivji ka गुणगान करने लगे. Shivji खुश होके, the very storehouse of knowledge, Shivji then spoke. धैर्य धरो, उदास मत हो, मिलकर पावन देव के पास चलो. तो शिव ब्रह्मा इंद्रादि देवता सब पावन के निकट आए. शिवजी said to them, धैर्य धरो, धैर्य रखो, धैर्य धरो, be patient, do not panic. There's no time for panic. We can fix this. Right? So when you get problem, don't panic, you make it worse. Have patience. Sometimes it's important to have patience. As you say, cool it. And we just sometimes little thing happen and we just jump and fly. And then we cause more problem than anything else. So here's a teaching also. He says, be patient. Have patience. Don't be sad. Let's all go together, all Milkar, all of us, together with Brahma, myself and all of you. And let us go to Pawan Dev. Let's go to the God of wind. To Shiv, Brahma, Shivji, Brahma, Indra and all the Devatas. They went to meet Pawan Dev. सूत गगन सूर्य गहिरी श्वास समीर रोकी दुख दीना तजहु पवन रहे प्राण भलाई तुमको सुयश हो ये जग भाई. बोलो जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम. अमर अजीत सकल बल सागर सुतहि देहु बर देव सुनागर. राम भगत अरु निकट निवासी यहाँ वरदान देव फलनाशी. बोलो जय राम श्री राम, जय जय. बोले पावन सुत हनुमान की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय. तुम्हारे पुत्र सब गए पावन देव के पास और पावन देव से बोलने लगे कि हे पावन देव, तुम्हारे पुत्र ने आकाश में सूर्य को पकड़ने लिया. एक तो अपराध किया, दूसरे में तुमने पावन की गति रोक दी। हे भाई, वायु को त्याग दो, सबके प्राण रहे इसमें, तुम्हें यश और भलाई मिले। All the devatas together with Brahma and Shiv Bhagwan started saying with great humility, they started saying to Pavandev, "Oh Pavandev, your son flew into the sky to swallow the sun. This is first to begin, he committed this crime to swallow the sun. And then also behind of that, now you have decided to stop the wind from blowing. You've stopped the wind blowing. Hey bhai, oh brother, please let the wind go. Everyone's life depends on wind, on the air, and you stopped it. By doing this, you will attain glory and you will attain fame. जो मन में आवे सो वरदान लो, पवन को त्याग दो जिसमें सुख को सबका हित हो. Whatever boon you want. Bhagwan is there also, Shiv Bhagwan, Brahma. Devatas can't give much. But Shivji is there, Brahma is there. They said, whatever vardhan, boon you want, ask. But please let the wind go, which is beneficial for all. This is the sustenance of life itself. Let it go. देवता की सुंदर बानी सुनकर पवन देव दोनों हाथ जोड़कर बोले, here in the very sweet, with great humility and sweetness. This is how we have to talk, not with anger and pride. So here in the sweet words, you see this mouth, right? The words you speak, how you speak that same word, in one way can cause enmity, and in one way can win over anyone. Just the same word spoken in a way, in a different way. But the same words. Some of us, we just cannot do it. Abhyas karo. Practice. It's important. Mitha bolo, kam bolo. My gurus say, speak less and speak sweet. Mitha. Speak soft, sweet. No, blah all the time. And people get scared. Oh, this lady, she eat your hair out. This fella, when he starts, no stopping. Come, Guru. Speak less, speak with substance, and speak sweetly. So, here in this sweet words of the Devatas, with great humility, Pavandev put his hands together, joined his hands together. He also is speaking, even though he had gotten angry. But look what the Devatas, the way they spoke to him, what it caused. He also put his hands together and with great humility he started speaking. You see, he changed, his whole disposition was changed. All because of the way they spoke. They could have gone and said, hey, let go the wind right now. Who do you think you are? No. That wasn't the way. With great humility and sweetness they spoke. And he also put his hands together. His whole disposition changed. And he put his hand together and he started speaking. He said, हे देवताओं, मेरे पुत्र अमर अजित, सब बल का समुद्र और चतुर हो, ये वर दो. Hanuman ji already have all this. This is just a leela. All the boons that he is asking for from the Devatas, Hanuman ji already have. You can't just get boon like that. Adhikar hona. Nobody could give you something that you don't deserve. Understand that. Anybody we meet, we go and we bow, we put their hand on our head, and Juk Jio live for millions of years. And you really? Putravati Bhava, this but Bhava, and If anyone could give anyone anything without they deserving it, this world wouldn't exist anymore. Because all a saint will have to do is to say, Bhagwan, hey Shri Krishna, I ask you for one boon. Let the uncountable souls and the uncountable solar systems who are under Maya and suffering, freedom from Maya, and give them divine happiness forever. Bhagwan doesn't lose anything from granting such a boon. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnata Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Wait. God is such an entity that if you subtract infinite, He remains infinite. He doesn't lose. So He will grant the boon, and all the uncountable souls who are under Maya and suffering in this material and 8.4 million forms of life will become free from Maya and attain divine happiness, divine bliss forever. But God cannot do that. He is bounded by the divine law. Mameva ye prapadyante maya me tantarantite. Chapter 7 verse 14 Gita. Only the one who completely surrenders to me can become free from Maya. So we don't have to ask Bhagwan or someone who can grant us something. We don't have to beg them and ask them for anything. Bhagwan and the saints are showering their grace all the time on us. Huh? We have to become deserving. That's all. Let's suppose there is rain falling, thunderstorm outside. You take a bucket and you put it outside, but you put the bucket upside down. All the rain fall. No water. So the vessel is not there. How are we going to get any blessing? Right? So you have to understand, Hanumanji he's Bhagavan, he's the descension of Shiva. As I said, Hanuman is no Devata. Even though people say Hanuman Devata, Hanuman is no Devata. Hanuman is supreme power. So, he's saying, this for Leela's sake, divine pastime, let my son be immortal. Hanuman is immortal. Let him be indefeatable. No one should be able to defeat him. Let him be the very ocean of power, strength. Let him be wise, that no one should be as wise as him. Mera putra Ram ka bhakt aur bal ki rashi. Let him be a devotee of Shri Ram. Bhakt, Ram Bhakt. The storehouse of strength. And let him always stay very close to Ram. He's always close to Shri Ram. He's always sitting. Everywhere you see Hanuman, he's sitting at the feet of Prabhu Shri Ram. He's always there, very close. और तब देवता बोले यही होगा. All the देवता said, this will be. This is how what is going to be. ब्रह्मा जी बोले तुम्हारे पुत्र बजरंगी होगा. Brahma said, all the devatas are now there standing. Brahma says your son will be like a thunderbolt. It's powerful. That's why we said Bajrangabali. So much power like a Vraj means thunderbolt. To Bajrangabali, he'll be as powerful as thunderbolt. और मेरी शक्ति भी इनके नहीं व्यापेगी. Even my weapon, Brahmastra, will not be able to touch Hanuman. So powerful. Nothing can touch his body. Agnidev, Agni se. Agnidev gave him the blessing that fire would not be able to touch him. As he burned the whole of Lanka, nothing happened to Hanuman. No fire was able to touch him. Fire can't touch him. Indra ne Vajra ke abhay diya. Indra gave the boon, my Vajra, my thunderbolt will never be able to touch you again. From today. Mahadev ji ne Trishul se. Mahadev ji said also, my Trishul cannot touch you. Shiv ji, his weapon Trishul. Yam ne apne dand se, Yam, his dand. He has a weapon that gives death. His wand. That cannot touch Hanuman. Hanuman is immortal. Varun ne jal se, water cannot be any problem to Hanuman. He can remain underwater forever. Water cannot, no fear from water. Devi ne bachan se nirbhay diya. And the Devi gave the blessing that you will be fearless. Fearless. ये सुन उस समय पावनदेव वायु को छोड़ दिया. Hearing this, Pavandev, the god of wind, became really very pleased and he let the wind go. वरदान देकर सब देवता चले गए. हनुमान जी महासुखी हो वन में विचरने लगे. And so, having given all their boons like this, all the devatas left there, and Hanuman ji, with great happiness, started jumping and playing in that forest. बोले पावन पुत्र महावीर स्वामी की जय. सियावर रामचंद्र की